Alright guys, so welcome back to this channel. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how this platform works and how you can earn sharing your unused data online. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So now guys, you can actually see with Honeygain you can make money by simply sharing your unused internet. Join Honeygain and get $3 gift. So what you're going to do right now is to get $3. Once you click on that, it's going to take you over to the next interface. Okay, so guys, as a first user, all you have to do is to input your email address and create a password. As you can see, $3 referral code applied. So what you're going to do right now is just to sign up for your account. So what you have to do right now is to create an account for yourself. Now to do that, you just have to enter an email address right here. So right now I'm going to put in my password. So the next thing I want to do right now is to click on continue with email. As you can see right now, it's asking me to download this. So what I just need to do is to download this particular app. So you just have to install your Honeygain after downloading it. Okay, now once you're on the app, you can actually see it's loading. So once you're on the app, to get your free $3, you just have to follow the process. So right now, once you download the app, you just have to come down and agree to the terms of service. So you just have to agree to the terms of service. So right now it says how Honeygain works. You can actually skip this, so you can just read it. So right now this is how it works. With the code that I'll be attaching to this video, you're going to be finding it on the pinned comment section and somewhere around this video. So once you click on sign up to claim, you're going to be given free $3 once you sign up. So what you're going to do right now is to input your email address right here. So what you want to do right next is to come right here where it says redeem promo code. So once you click on that, you're going to be putting the promo code I'm going to be attaching to this video. So what we're going to do right now is to input this code. So right now, after inserting all your details, you're going to click on that redeem promo code and you're going to be inserting the code I'll be attaching on the pinned comment section or somewhere around this video. So once that is done, the next thing you want to do is to click on sign up. Okay, so once you click on sign up, you're going to be logged into your account as a new user and you'll be given your free $3 right on this Honeygain. So once you log in, this is what you are going to be seeing. So right now you can go ahead to confirm your email address. To confirm your email address, you just have to click on confirm email. And so right now we just have to click on that just to verify our account. So just come down right here and click on confirm email. So once you click on that, you are actually going to be confirming your Honeygain account. So right here, to confirm that, you still have to put in your details back on this platform. Just to confirm your Honeygain account, then click on continue with email. So right now you're going to be confirming your account on Honeygain. Now guys, I want you to listen to me. Now once you want to register on this platform, you need someone to refer you. Okay, so you need to use the link on the pinned comment section. Okay, and you will be using the code, the referral code I'm going to be sending on the pinned comment section too, which you can also find in this video attached on the screen. So you're going to be finding it on the pinned comment section too. So you need to be registered by someone for you to get your free $3. Okay, now the next thing you want to do to maximize your earnings is to connect multiple devices. Just log in your same account to different devices. That is how you can actually accumulate the more your internet is connected. Another thing I want you to note is that you can actually see these ports right here. You can actually claim free coins every single day. You can actually see I just claimed the free coin right on this particular interface. Now it said share 5 MB per day and earn Honeygain credit. Once you have actually collected this, you can actually come the next day to open this port to claim your free coin. Now once you have gotten up to $20 on your account, you can actually see where it says collect $20 to request a payout. You can actually see the payout percent, so it's actually loading right here. So the reason why you're earning is because these bees are moving. Now if you actually find that these bees on your account are not moving, just come down to more, then settings. Okay, just come over settings, then you off and on share internet and earn. So once you do that, your account will be back to these bees that are moving. Okay, because once these bees keep moving, that is a sign that your network is connected and you're actually earning on your account. So it's actually showing that you're earning on your account once these bees are moving. Once you've gotten up to $20 on your account, you just have to come over to more. You are going to be seeing the payouts right here. So the minimum you can actually cash out is $20. So once you click on payouts, you're going to be inserting your details to place withdrawal on your account. So that is how this Honeygain works. It is actually a platform you can actually share your unused data and you earn from it. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video.